Congratulations! Ang tagal naman. Ako ba ang magsasalita ba?
Oo, nagsasalita na nga ngayon.
Ang sasabihin ko. Ayun
Ano
na.
ko sa inyo?
Congratulations! Dapat pagbalik niya may baby na.
Dapat may pagbalik nyo. May pasalubong kayo.
Hello, June. Congratulations. Sayang sana Chu kami, Ken.
There you go.
Okay, just enjoy and see you soon.
Ito,
Sayang ka lang kami, Ken. Kaya may pagdamas.
okay.
Sige, ingat ka. Hi! Congratulations sa wedding. Say hi! Enjoy! And second honeymoon pa. God bless! Ingat! Uwi na kayo.
Junjun, stay in love forever. Congrats ka. Nakakunta sa ano.
Oh, Melissa.
Con and this one. God
Okay.
bless! June, sana wish ko maging happy kayo forever.
Junjun and Keke. God bless you in your marriage and hope for more blessings and more kids to come.
Okay, congratulations na sana mas yari kung malambat kay and next balik yun namin.
Hi, Kek.
Hi, June.
Hey, congratulations.
Congratulations.
We're so happy for you guys.
Yeah.
Right?
Enjoy.
Hopefully,
See you.
huh?
See you in 2 months.
Yeah, well,
Sana may laman na yan, ha?
That's right. Have a great time, guys.
Okay, bye.
Congratulations on your wedding.
Congrats, best wishes. Ingat. Congratulations. God bless you guys.
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Junjun and Konkon.
Junjun and Konkon.
Congratulations.
Okay.
Pagbalik nyo dyan. Pagbalik nyo. Meron na kayong
Kek, June, congrats.
Congratulations.
Ano?
Congratulations! We love you! Kumusta na lang dyan? Kumusta sa mga bisita niyo dyan?
Congratulations.
Congratulations, June and Ken.
Congratulations, Ton! Nelson, enjoy nyo lang yung bakasyon tsaka yung kasal. Ha? Wish you all God's best.
Hi, Ken and June. Congratulations and best wishes from Emma and Ramon. Congratulations, Junjun.
Say Edgar. Say congratulations, Edgar. Here we go. Oh, Edgar, bilis na.
Best wishes. See you next year. Bye.
June, Kek, enjoy ha. Kami, kakayuran muna namin ng dollar dito. Enjoy ang peso nyo dyan ha. Happy wedding day. Uy, unmiss ko yung asado. Okay.